Top 10. Best folding knives under $100. Smaller. There is also a deliberate effort by manufacturers to increase functionality. Number 10. Opinel Carbon Blade. Number 6. Prioritize function too much that they forget about making a knife actually look good. That's not overlooked in this case, as this elegant-looking knife features a classic beechwood handle to go with the modern carbon steel blade. The blade is less than 3 inches long. The wood handle looks great. The wood also feels good to the touch. It comfortably even for long periods. Number 9. Columbia River Knife. Independent knife makers so that they can create truly innovative knife designs. This one is a product of a team-up with Jesper Vanis, and it's designed to appeal to old-school outdoorsmen and adventurers. Makers so that they can create truly innovative knife designs. The steel for the blade is really strong. Length limits in many states. Finish handle is comfortable to hold. Number 8. Gerber Paraframe Mini Knife. And this one really is. The overall length when open is just 5 inches with a blade that's only 2.2 inches long. You do get a secure grip with the open design of the handle. Overall, this is a folding knife you'll scarcely notice in your pocket. It's more likely to be legal. It's very compact and lightweight. The grip is very secure. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best folding knives under $100 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Kershaw Blur, full colors for those knife enthusiasts who love a little edge on a knife. It is standard with deployment technology which makes for emergency usage, and the robust lock ensures lifting with utmost ease. You can choose from among a variety of designs based on your tastes and needs. Comes with a variety of design. Deployment technology assists in opening. Based on your tastes and needs. Number 6. Spyderco DELICA 4. First of all, it has a unique handle that makes it easy to maintain grip. It has a simple yet intricate designs. It is pleasing to the eyes and at the same time can perform as expected. It comes in the right size and weight which makes it easy to carry around. Small and light, thus easy to carry around. It is simple yet beautiful to the eyes. Very sharp at the front makes. Number 5. Spyderco MANIX 2. It is one of the few foldable knives with a bearing lock which ensures locking an item in place and lifting without worrying about it falling. It comes standard with high-quality steel which makes it durable and does not need regular sharpening. It can be used to carry out the most difficult tasks. Locking technology for easy lifting. Durable and tough. Out the most difficult tasks. Number 4. BENCHMADE GRIPTILIAN. The quality of this sleek foldable knife. It is one of the most selling BENCHMADE knives. It is stylish at the same time it delivers with utmost ease. It has a unique locking technology making it easy to grab and lifting items. Comes in 2 standard sizes. Nice handle make it easy to maintain grip. Has locking technology making lifting easy. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best folding knives under $100 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Spyderco Tenacious Plain. Too much attention. It is made with light steel which makes it generally light to carry around. The blade is fashioned in the shape of a leaf and is ultra sharp, making cutting a walk in the park. It has one of the most convenient pocket clips, which can be carried on any side whether sideways or up. Beautiful design. Easy deployment. Shaped and sharp blade cuts smoothly. Number 2. Kershaw 1555 G10 Cryo G10. Uses cheap and affordable stainless steel, but this does not mean it has compromised on quality and performance. It has a nice blade which is easy to sharpen. The knife has a pocket clip for easy carrying. It is pointed, making cutting convenient. Deployment technology aids in using it fast. It has a pocket clip for easy carrying. Number 1. Ontario Knife Rat. Knife is among the top folding knives. It's small, and the fact that it is lightweight means it's created to perform. It has a sharp blade that makes cutting things a walk in the park. It has an effective deployment technology which makes opening of the knife very effective. Safe to carry and use. Deployment technology makes it easy to open. Small, thus convenient to carry around. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best folding knives under $100 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.